Network Entertainment.
Yes, ito yung tinatawag nating rider exercise. Ito yung bewang. So, sa riding posture, we have 7 riding posture. The eyes, shoulder, elbows, hands, hips, knees, and feet. The only way to control the bike, syempre, is with this 7 riding posture. Kung gumalaw yung gulong mo, yung buong bike mo, ang body mo will stay at the center. So, pwedeng mag-wash out yung rear tire pero may iiwan yung upper body. So, we do that lean out position.
All right, welcome to Tunay na Rider, the podcast where we don't just talk about the machine, we talk about the heart, the crew, the trip, and paminsan-minsan may brip. I'm Iba, with me is King.
Yan, si Iba na puyat.
Oo, ikaw na bahala this episode, King.
Oo, sa makatuwid, Iba, ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, very, very timely, no? Panay ulan. Maraming kalaban tayong mga riders pag umuulan. Di ba? With us is Coach Mel Aquino.
Yeah.
Yung naninilaw sa gitna. JC Santa Marina, WWR.
Ride United,
Ride United.
Ride
Yeah.
Manila. Ang dami ng hats nito eh.
Oo. Multiple hats. Mr. JC Santa Marina and Miss Jen Chu of PIA Lights Philippines. Guys, we're here today basically para pag-usapan yung mga makakatulong sa riders. Sa
Rainy
panahon ng-
day riding tips.
Oo. Pagka umuulan, di ba, kalaban natin ang visibility, yung lessened na traction, and of course, the gears that we would like to wear to somehow less basa tayo or sana tuyo, di ba?
Yeah.
With that, unahin natin yung nasa pinakagitna, si Coach Mel.
Assistant coach ka eh. So, kayong dalawa yung expert dito.
Ako marami pa akong bigas na kakainin, bro. Pero ito, dekada nang nagra-ride to. Bata pa rin naman.
Lalaki ka pa?
Kawawa na may experience sa inyo.
Yes. I'm still learning from the veterans, kumbaga. So, Coach, rekta na tayo. Anong kailangan na skill ng isang rider kapag inabutan siya ng ulan, less traction, limited visibility?
Ang dami nag-viral na videos,
Ayan,
di ba?
oo.
Yung
Lalo
mga, meron nagbaback-ride,
Yeah.
and dumulas, and then yung namatay sa,
Yeah. Skyway.
Skyway.
Oo.
Ang isa pa, Coach, siguro yung tamang speed sa paglusong sa baha, di ba? May mga ganyan
Yes,
tayo.
so totoo yan.
Ano bang kailangan nating tandaan, Coach?
Well, skills is very important. Pinag-uusapan na natin na if you ride a motor vehicle or a motorcycle, kailangan alam mo kung paano i-operate ang isang motorcycle or isang motor vehicle.
Naman.
Kailangan din natin syempre yung good judgment. Kasi skills without good judgment, baliwala po ito. Kailangan yung, hindi naman, for example, may mga group ride tayo, hindi po pwedeng yung pinakamagaling na rider yung nasa harapan or nasa likuran. Ang kailangan po dyan is yung may good judgment na dapat alam niya na meron siyang buntot na hinihila. So sa riding naman, lagi po natin tatandaan na pag-uusapan ng maraming beses na kung sa tingin mo uulan, you can gear up na for your wet gear. Ilagay mo na sa dry bag yung mga gamit mo na kung abutin ka man ng ulan, pagdating mo sa office or kung saan ka pupunta, you can actually change your clothes. But most of the veteran riders, na pag-uusapan na rin lang yung mga edad. Noong araw kasi, if you don't ride in the rain, you don't ride at all.
Oo, hindi ka tunay na
Hindi
rider.
ka tunay na rider pag di ka
Oo.
nagra-ride sa ulan.
Aray ko po.
Yan. Pero, depende kasi, for example ako, kung dito lang ako pupunta from Antipolo, punta ako ng Mandaluyong, at inabutan ako ng kalagitnaan, I'll go for the ride na. Tuloy-tuloy na. Pero if you'll be traveling for a long distance travel or long ride, kailangan mag-suit ka na ng rain gear. Siyempre, ang number one concern mo dyan, yung pagdilamig ka. So pag dilamig ka, maapektuhan yung paggamit mo ng controls eh. So once nanginig ka na, habang nanginginig ka, gumagalaw din yung manibela mo. So it can cause accident din syempre. Marami na ngayong naglabasan ng mga magagandang riding gear. sa market ngayon. At yan, isa-isa na ako natin pag-uusapan later yan. Pero of course,
Binili ko na lahat.
ayan, huwag natin pa rin kakalimutan yung training.
Oo.
Iba ang ride sa basa, iba ang ride sa tuyo. So kung yung speed mo sa tuyo is sabihin na natin nagsi 60 kilometers per hour ka, then bagala mo siguro by 40 or 30. Depende sa surface. Kasi habang tumatagal na nagra-ride ka, mas nababasa mo na yung kalsada eh. Yung mga madudulas at yung mga makakapit na area.
Coach, question. In terms of speed nga, sabi mo bawasan. How about scanning the road kapag limited yung visibility mo? Tsaka yung yung pagbalanse sa motor pag naman limitado na yung grip mo.
Yes, actually, yung last time na napag-usapan natin na ang concern ng rider ay dalawa. Pag umuulan, ito yung vision, ito yung traction. Ang vision, pag naapektuhan na, kailangan mo talaga magbawas na. Kasi pag hindi mo na nakikita kung saan ka pupunta, you have to really slow down. Kasi hindi mo makikita yung pothole na pagka nagkaroon na ng tubig, hindi mo alam kung malalim yan o hindi.
Parang pantay lang kasi.
Yes, exactly. At
And actually recently, no? And so in our neck of the woods,
Oh,
because of the heavy rain, ang dami ng potholes. ha?
basag-basag.
In Domingo, Santolan,
Yo,
may namatay na police.
I know. Yun nga, I was gonna
yes,
say
oo.
that.
Malapit lang sa atin yan, pare.
Also,
dahil may pothole, hindi niya nakita. He got thrown off the
na-shoot
bike.
siya dun, na-shoot.
And then may bus dumaan, pare.
ayun. Oh.
Yung Quiapo, tapat ng Quiapo Church, parang buwan. Parang ka nagdadrive sa buwan.
Grabe.
Wow. Lunar.
Okay. Yun pala yun, coach, no? Your speed would be depending sa
Depending dun sa
visibility
visual mo.
mo.
Oo.
How about yung pagbabalanse? Di ba, naiiba yan kapag basa?
Well, eto naman yung concern naman natin sa traction, no? Yung kalbong gulong, wala nang thread yan. Wala nang thread yan. Ang thread is very important sa especially pag umuulan. Kung mapapansin natin yung thread, pag ganun yung yung guhit niya, so pinapump out niya yung tubig.
Pangtapon ng tubig,
Pantapon ng
kumbaga.
tubig. So pagka wala ng thread yun, hydroplaning. So you can actually hydroplane. Now, especially kung mud or lupa or kahit anong madulas na part ng road, pag lumiko ka na or nag-apply ka ng brakes, dapat very smooth lang. Kasi kung nagko-corner tayo, remember habang kumo-corner tayo, yung gulong natin is pa ganun siya, pa-arc eh. So once nag-lean ka ng bike, nagle-less na rin yung contact patch mo. Consider mo na rin yung tubig, yung film ng water na nandoon, na pag binigla mo ngayon, yung counter steer mo, pwedeng dumulas yun. Plus the weight ng rider, pag hindi tama yung position niya sa on top of the motorcycle, pwedeng mabigat yung harap or bagang yung likod or pwedeng vice versa.
Coach, may tanong ako sa gulong.
Yes po.
And kasi I was watching yung vlog ni Angie King. Sa 4 wheels naman, yung recommendation niya sa 4 wheels is that
More air.
more air.
More air, yes.
Because because it doesn't heat up, you want to have more traction and have the
Yes.
wheels work with you.
Tama po yun.
Sa motor pareho lang ba?
Well, sa motor, I don't recommend na talagang ibabagsak mo yung hangin.
No, yung recommendation niya,
Yung
more
siya?
air.
More air.
Oo.
Sa motor, actually, walang problema. Hindi mo kailangan bawasan.
Basta tama yung hangin.
Sa tama yung hangin. Pero, once you go off-road at putik na siya,
Oh, yeah.
same
Iba
as
yun.
4x4.
Oo.
So, mag-iiba yan depende sa gamit mo ngayon. Kung nasa road ka, you don't need to air down eh. Pero once pumasok ka sa dirt road or sa putik, kailangan mag-air down ka na. And that's the reason why yung mga nagfo-4x4, yung mga nag-off-road ng motor, pag nasa road kami, matigas yung gulong namin. Once papasok kami sa trail side, lahat kami nagbababa, nagbabawas na kami ng hangin. Nag-air down na kami.
Yun pala.
Yes.
Coach, may one thing I realized, and this is thanks to you, no? I was riding not fast, but fast enough. Malakas yung rain. Biglang nagwobble yung likod ko. I don't know what I did to make it wobble. Maybe I was too
much
aggressive.
throttle,
And then nag-break yung traction. But, syempre, when that happens, what do you do? Babawasan mo ba? Do you pull the brakes? Yung parang na-feel mo na, and then nakikita natin sa mga viral videos, ganun yung nangyayari. Bumibigay yung likod, and then nag-ano na sila.
Low side.
Is there a
Nag-low side
way para ma-save mo yon?
Yes, ito yung tinatawag nating rider exercise. Ito yung bewang. So sa riding posture, we have 7 riding posture. The eyes, shoulder, elbows, hands, hips, knees, and feet. The only way to control the bike, syempre, is with this 7 riding posture. Kung gumalaw yung gulong mo, yung buong bike mo, ang body mo will stay at the center. So, pwedeng mag-wash out yung rear tire pero may iiwan yung upper body. So, we do that lean out position. But of course, sabi nga natin, pagka masyado nang madulas, medyo lean in na tayo. We have 3 leaning posture, lean in, lean with, lean out eh. So pagka medyo slippery ang kalsada at medyo high speed ng konti, we do lean in. That makes the bike upright ng konti, pero yung body natin ang medyo naka-lean. Pag normal turning, naka-lean with tayo. Kung ano yung angle ng bike, yun din yung angle ng body. Pero pag tight corner and slow the drills, which is yung ginagawa natin sometimes sa off-road, sobra na yung lean ng bike, pero naka-center yung body ng rider. But of course, the contact patch is medyo manipis na. So pag ginawa mo yan sa ulan or sa madulas na part, talaga mag-break yung traction. So maaaring ganun na nangyari na open mo yung throttle na mas maaga, nag-break yung traction, pero do not hit the brakes. Because it will stop the rear tire, mas mag-worsen yung slide.
Okay.
Wala ka ng traction
Wala ka
because
ng
na-brake
traction.
na.
Yes.
And then you're putting the brakes, which will make it worse.
Make it worse.
Idadagdag ko lang the one thing, I don't know what I did to save the bike. But I do know what was on my mind. Wala akong takot. Because of yung experience ko with Coach Mel, yung mga ginagawa natin, a lot of the things he teaches us in the off-road riding, no, is do not be afraid
To lose
when you lose
traction.
traction.
Yes.
But if I had not gone through yung school ni Coach Mel, I think a lot of the time, when you see the spills, yung mga tao nag-freeze up.
Nag-freeze,
They
totoo
press
yan.
the brakes lahat, they turn off the throttle. And once you slow down, you release the throttle, nag-clutch ka,
Yes.
nag-brake ka, wala ka ng control.
Oh.
Yes,
Coach, tama ba yung the old tip from the old riders?
When in doubt.
Smooth is fast is smooth is slow. Ano ba yun?
Ang alam ko ka lang kasi when in doubt, gas it out eh.
Oh,
Sorry,
Totoo rin yun.
ayun pala, nadali
Okay.
ni Jen. Slow is smooth is fast.
Yes.
Wala ka raw dapat sudden movement kapag
Totoo yan.
basa.
Yes, totoo po yan, ma'am. Yun po yung talagang, may katotohanan talaga dyan sa sinasabi yung kasabihan na yan. Bakit? Kasi meron akong tinatawag na pagka nagko-cornering drills kami, wag mo nang ka-clutch, wag ka na mag-front brake or mag-rear brake. Smooth na lang. Bakit? Kasi pag nag-clutch ka pa at kailangan mong i-throttle uli yan, magtitimpla ka na naman ng clutch at saka ng throttle. Which, pagka hindi mo na ginamit yung clutch, tag-off ka lang ng throttle, nandun na yung brake eh. So we call it the engine brake. So mag-slow down siya ng kanya. Then pag kailangan mo siya i-pick up, then you open mo lang yung throttle. So wala ka nang tatrabahuin. I call it, ayoko na magtatrabaho kayo sa corner. Or wag na tayo magtatrabaho sa liko. Just turn off the throttle for cornering techniques, which is slow, scan, lean, and roll. So hindi yung roll na pagsemplang gulong. Roll the throttle. Pagka kailangan mo nang itayo yung bike. Automatic yan because of the gyroscopic effect. Na pag-usapan natin yung gyroscopic effect, ito yung pinapakita namin laging gulong na pinapaikot, na pag mabilis yung ikot ng gulong, subukan mo iliko ang bigat. Diba? Pag mabagal naman siya, mas madaling iliko. So, yung application ng skills ng rider is depende sa makikita mo muna and then you react. Kasi yun yung kailangan ma-develop ng mga riders natin sa kalsada. Kasi marami nangyayari.
So ngayon, ito yung issue ko with skills. The problem with skills is kailangan mag-invest ka time.
Yes.
Mas madali bumili ng gamit para safe, di ba?
Oo.
Yan.
Kaysa mag-invest ng time sa skills.
Ayan,
So,
totoo yan.
pag-usapan na natin, yung mag-shopping na tayo.
Ayan. Yan ang
Ito yung
Okay, so
ito yung fun part.
ito yung fun part. Oo. So, let's start with one of the most important things. You were talking about visibility.
Yes. Very important.
What do we need to know, Jen, about visibility when riding with lights at PIA?
So to start with,
Ay, on to.
Pindot ka dyan sa blue. Yan,
They're
sige.
both blue. This one or on top? Uy!
Yeah,
Yun.
the top.
Yun.
That's live, bro.
And then the bottom one will allow you to change the
Isa pa,
light.
pindot ka pa isa. Oh, ha?
Oh.
Combine.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Lapit daw.
Okay, so what?
More.
More?
More. Yan.
Okay. So at PIA, so us at PIA, no, we encourage visibility in terms of not just the lights, but also you have to be seen, but you also have to be heard. So we didn't bring it anymore, but I think everyone here knows about the PIA Auto Style horn. I think riders were one of our biggest adapters when we launched the horn. So pag may nakita kayong bike dyan, tapos may PIA na decal, naka-PIA Auto Style horn
For
yan.
sure.
For sure
Busina.
yan. Kasi
Kailangan ko yung decal. Di ako nakuha. I
Ito,
just
wala
kakabili ko
sa
lang eh.
box.
Alam mo
Nasa
na,
box?
Hindi ko kinabit eh.
alam mo kung nasan yun? Nasa mekaniko mo yun.
Ayan.
Inuwanan niya
So,
yun.
tingin na lang ako.
Sige, papadala kita.
Bagong customer ako.
Got you. Papadalhan kita. So, that's the for being heard. Kasi actually, we've had a lot of early adapters among riders. Hindi lang nga the auto style horn. Gusto nga nila, may mga iba nagpapakabit nga ng superior bass horn namin.
Yung pangkotse?
Yung pangkotse talaga. Actually, lahat
pambira.
ng horns namin, pangkotse siya primarily. And then, because of the shape, because of the fit, pati mga riders gusto nila. So, minsan, you're driving, tapos may narinig kang nagbusina, akala mo car. Pero
Yeah.
sa totoo lang, nandiyan na siya sa base.
Alam mo dyan
Tutuwa
yung
na
prior to you supporting my personal channel, no?
Yeah.
I've been a customer of you many years ago. Ang gusto ko dun sa sinasabi niya na horn.
wala kang hindi ka tatalo sa akin. 2009.
Yeah.
Alala mo yung GS ko
Alam
na
mo
ginamit ko
yes.
sa Ride for Life?
Oo.
Nakapia yun.
Pareho kami ni Iba, pero ang gusto ko kasi sa mga busina nyo, yung form factor, ang daling itago, kahit yung stock na horn, baklasin mo siya, kasya na siya dun.
Oh, it allows you to be kind of creative. So I think both drivers and car owners and motorcycle owners, very creative yan.
At saka JC,
Kung paano.
hindi na mamaos yung mga busina dito.
Basta
Good to know.
pababa yung snail kasi snail siya. So pababa yung pag-install. Ayun. So yeah, actually interesting na na-mention nga ni King kasi marami sa mga riders that we introduced our motorcycle lights, ang sasabihin nila talaga is, alam mo yung rig ko, yung car ko, ilang years na nakapiya, laging ganyan. So
Si Iba, 1980 pa lang.
19. Ano naman? 2009. 2009.
ayun.
Ako, nung high school ako, narinig ko na yan eh. Pero hindi ko na mabagti ko ilang taon na ako. Pero, Pia, kung matagal na yung brand na yan, sigurado, it's already trusted by hundreds of
Rally
millions
teams,
of
race teams.
of
We're,
drivers
we're
and
very
riders.
involved in racing. Yun yung roots talaga. Even MotoGP actually, globally, it's there. So, for this one,
So now, why do you have parang multicolored, di ba?
May white, may yellow.
Oo.
So we launched this model last October, and what we wanted was to offer a solution to riders where they don't, kasi diba minsan kung magpapakabit ka, okay, yellow kasi para sa pag umuulan, yung mga weather conditions, foggy weather conditions. Lalo na, we know that for riders, you go up the mountains.
Sa Marilake eh.
Sa
Papag
Marilake.
dyan eh.
Tapos
Oo.
yung mga, alam naman natin, hindi reliable yung street lamps natin dito, diba?
Not all roads.
Not all roads.
has lamps.
Yeah, even for motorists, four-wheelers are also having trouble with that. So we wanted to offer a solution where riders don't have to have too many lamps on them because we consider also, syempre, na the weight of the lamps. I think that's a concern for riders.
Yung power delivery.
And then the power delivery, of course. Yun. So for the 220R, it's designed to be a one lamp solution. It's a we call it a dual lamp system. So you have the yellow, and then you have the white, of course, and then you can also activate yung hybrid version. So you have
Mix
both of
yun
it.
nung ano, mix
of
ng
the,
white
so the
and
white
yellow.
is on top, and then the yellow.
So when
is
it's
at the
raining,
bottom.
what is the best?
The best for rain would be the yellow. So if you
Have
notice,
driven
we're
in thick fog and rain? Try mo yung white light. You'll just have a blanket of white light in
Yeah.
front of you.
Yes.
It just reflects back.
It just reflects
Kasi
back.
puti
That's
din-
why the
puti din
yellow.
siya eh.
Yellow
Oo.
tumatapos.
Yellow, tatagos
Tumatagos.
talaga siya.
Tumatagos.
Tatagos talaga siya.
Press mo pa nga isa, Iba.
Hindi ako si Gino.
Your
ah.
accent, bro.
Yan
It's
yung puti.
showing.
Itong puti, Jen, anong best application nito? Dry.
Street, dry.
Oo.
Dry. Tapos maganda siya for street.
Okay.
Talaga.
Lalo na for
paiba.
streets na walang lamps.
Etong hybrid, saan ang magandang application
Actually, it
naman ito?
depends on the comfort level of the rider na.
Or kung gaano
So,
kalakas
let's say,
yung ulan, or
oo.
gaano ka,
Kung let's say, maambon lang, mga ganyan, then sure. Pero if you're
Pero
talking...
kung hardcore, like,
Wala.
almost zero visibility rain.
Baka dapat wala ka na sa road. Diba?
That's the best
Baka
advice.
dapat wala na.
Yes.
Diba? Stay
Mga
indoors,
riders,
stay
pagka,
safe,
ano,
Yep.
stay dry.
Hi there, my name is Earl, and I'm the host of Philippine Campfire Stories. After this episode that you're listening to, baka naman gusto mong mag-check ng mga horror stories sa mga folklore and urban legends na nangyayari sa Pilipinas. Mga true horror stories shared in a manner na hindi ka naman matatakot pero ma-entertain ka. Go ahead and check out Philippine Campfire Stories, and we have over 200 episodes just waiting for you. See you there!
Yeah, for us kasi, it's really an all-in-one solution for everyone. Yeah.
Jen, may iba pa tayong sizes ng light. Wala lang tayong demo unit dito. But does that mean na yung size nung motor na pagkakabitan, mas applicable ba siya sa big bikes?
So, big bikes kasi, it's more of minsan. Kasi
Yabang.
Yabang eh.
Oo.
So, most people, similar to drivers, then we noticed, they want the form factor to be aesthetically bagay.
Yung bagay, oo.
Yeah,
Parang
aesthetically bagay to their bike.
Parang tropa
Parang
natin.
yung 2009.
Oh, yeah. Mga daw, malaki, may malaking piya, may grill pa. Diba? Pero yung tropa
1985,
natin,
diba?
si
Malaki.
Tabs,
Oh.
South Border, bumili siya ng ganito, no? Kasi naka-triumph siya.
Yeah.
Aerodynamic, di ba? Classic. Yung maganda yung forma niya.
Tsaka in fairness dito, kahit maliit, bagay siya sa mga Vespa,
Yes.
sa
Yun.
mga naked bike.
So,
Sama ba ni
go
Royal
for
Rally?
scooters.
Oo, bagay yun
Oo.
doon.
Hindi bagay sa Royal.
Malaking bagay sa akin.
Malaki yung
Malaki.
bagay sa Royal Alloy.
Oo.
Chunky.
Ito kasi mas bagay siya. We saw yung mga nag-adapt talaga to this one are, yun nga, Vespas. Some scooter brands also did. And then, pero marami dyan, it's more of adventure.
Oh, speaking of adventure,
because they're
Jen.
the ones that go out.
Speaking of adventure, Jen, our friends from Club Makina, sina Tristan, yung mga
Yeah.
yung mga
Yeah.
CF Moto nila,
Oo,
nakaganyan.
yung
Hey,
challenge.
Shout out to CF
And
Moto.
it looks very natural dun, di ba? Parang the bike came with it.
Yeah.
Yan.
So we actually work with CF Moto. We've been working with CF Moto for their adventure bikes, and then we're also working with, we're fixing up something with their scooter as well. So it's good because we find that the lights naman, you can't say that it's just for one type of bike or this type of bike. It has to be able to adapt to the rider's preference eh.
Yeah.
Saka yung functionality.
Actually,
syempre,
ang
diba?
nagustuhan ko sa kanya yung ergonomic niya. Yung hindi siya sobrang... Okay, may minimalist eh. Na ayaw na masyadong
Ako
loud.
gusto ko yung macho, di ba?
Ako naman,
Adventure bike eh.
Ang
Yes,
favorite ko dyan, kasi si LTO at si DOTR, di ba naghihigpit sila lately? Yung mga walang cut-off na ilaw, kino-confiscate nila yan. HPG, machempoang ka, walang cut-off na ganyan yung ilaw mo. Yari ka.
Yeah.
Confiscate yan, baklas
Lalo
yan on the
pagka
spot.
nagustuhan nila yun, ay, Pia, kukunin ko. kahit pasok sa...
Okay, before we get into trouble, let's talk about the other things na,
Yeah.
that JC brought over.
Oh, patay mo muna, bro.
Patayin muna natin.
Ito
Okay.
syempre,
Sisilaw na.
Okay. Kasi baka maka-cancel na naman tayo o hulihin tayo eh.
Okay, Forma is not just for the bike, but
Oo.
also
Yeah.
For the rider.
the rider.
For the rider.
Oh,
Yeah.
So,
JC.
ako, binili ko na lahat to eh. Except for that. Wala pa.
Wala ka pa
Yan.
nito.
Coming
Yeah.
soon.
hindi na siya uuwi.
Ayun, may kasabihan
Hindi,
kami.
naka-reserve na.
May kasabihan ng riders sa mga riding gear. If you're not fast, look fast.
Oh,
If you cannot perform,
Jump
Jump
forward.
forward.
Yan.
That
Okay,
goes
JC.
with
I like that.
And si JC practices what he preaches. He's a daily rider, so he knows palaging in the rain or shine, nag-ride yan.
Oh.
So, yeah, good day to everyone. Thank you for listening to the podcast. So, it's really a preparation thing when it comes to rain, no? Kasi sabi nga ni Coach Mel kanina, parang any sudden movement can greatly affect your ride. So, even if we have all of this technology, all of this gear, parang you really have something to assist you and back you up during those times. That's why, like, same with Jen, we really value visibility. That's why Shark is the only helmet brand right now with an integrated lighting system.
It's so cool.
When Iba mentioned about a rainy day episode, parang technically he was looking for waterproof gear. But the first thing that really came to my mind is the helmet with lights. Kasi the more visible you are on the road, the better it is for you. The safer you are.
Now bro, how does that work? Kasi 'di ba, yung mga brake light ng motor natin, gumagana siya pag pinisil yung preno.
Yes.
How about this?
So-
Paano nag-a-activate to?
Okay, so this one, there's a mode where it can be on all the time.
Okay?
But with Shark's built-in accelerometer, as
Ayun.
soon as you brake, even without this helmet being connected to your bike or to your phone, independently, when you brake, it's gonna flash.
So nasa-sense niya na bumagal ka, yung accelerometer iti-trigger niya ngayon yung...
Yes, yung pag-flash ng lights. And
Right.
majority kasi of our rear brake lights are below the visibility of drivers, especially SUVs. So, the first time we brought this here sa Philippines, we tested it sa, alam mo yung tunnel sa Makati?
Yeah.
Daytime, di ba? So, parang they realized na, you know what? Why hasn't anyone thought of this yet? Di ba? Na to integrate a lighting system.
No, I bought back in the day all of these things that you would stick kasi I love like tech, right?
Yes.
Ang dami mong pwede idikit sa helmet.
Yep.
The thing is, they're bulky or pwede maputol yung LED.
Bibigat yung helmet mo.
Bibigat.
And-
Hindi siya
Yeah,
built
oo.
for the helmet,
Yeah,
di ba?
and-
So yung balance ng helmet.
Typically,
improvising.
just some trivia about that. Anything that you attach na light or something, it actually negates yung safety rating ng helmet mo.
Yeah, totoo yun.
That's why it's a big deal that Shark did their safety rating with the lights.
So
Anong
it's ECE rated
Yes, ECE
with the lights.
With the lights. ECE 2206.
2206.
With the lights, with the battery, with the accelerometer.
Question bro, yung battery ba nito, if I get home, di ba, parang matik na sa ating mga rider, cardo tanggal, charge.
Hindi.
Okay, nasa helmet na.
Hindi,
charge mo na.
hindi ka naka-pro. Yung pro, iwan mo lang.
Yeah,
Automatic
yes,
off
pro. Yeah,
yan.
Hindi, I mean yung charging.
Yeah, well, for one full charge, it's gonna last you about 14 to 18 hours. So that's about a week's worth of riding if you ride about 2 hours per day. But it only takes about 2 hours to charge. So it has a USB-C port, so it's also fast charging.
Okay. Yung ano bro, how about yung visibility naman sa front? Yung
So let's talk about visors.
visor,
diba?
yeah.
So Shark is very proud of their optical class 1 visors, meaning that as you travel fast, there's no distortion. And Shark makes sure that all of their visors, all of their helmets come with a pin lock ready system. And
So, fog is not an issue.
fog is not an issue. And they have a pin lock system and they include the pin lock. Kasi marami dyan pin lock ready, pero you have to buy
Bibilin
the
mo
pin
pa,
lock.
no?
Yes.
Yan. So this one's built in already.
Wait, JC, paano yan? Kung malakas yung ulan, wala ka naman wiper.
Okay. So
Wala kang PIA wiper.
yeah, but
Gagawa
on the-
kami,
sa helmet.
mag-fashion tayo just for you.
actually
Hindi. May wiper si
May
JC.
wiper si-
in my goodie bag. Okay.
Yeah.
Ako, wala pa ako nito eh.
So this is my secret
Uy, Kriga, mabibili niyo yun sa
R&D
ano.
bag.
Alam mo kaya nandito si JC.
Yung Kriega bag.
This is
So,
so
we're
interesting.
actually-
though.
One of our new brands, which is held from Germany, and you know how Germans are very pedantic when they come
Yeah.
to designing things.
Yep.
Over-designed, over-engineered
Yep.
lagi.
So
You know.
abangan nyo, we're expecting a batch of these very well ventilated gloves. It's for touring, all weather, and it has a wiper.
Alam mo, coach, yung
Sa wiper.
yung
Oh, that's so smart.
issue ko with leather gloves, hindi komportable at mainit.
At pag natuyo, tumitigas.
Tumitigas.
So
Pare,
this has been through
suotin
5
mo to.
heavy rain.
That's so
rides
smart.
already.
Can I comment like that? That's so
Clima
smart.
cool. Clima cool yung malamig siya. Pag sinuot mo, malamig siya.
Oo nga, no?
Yep.
Oo nga,
Coach Mel.
galing sa ref eh.
Isuot mo nga to, tas i-action mo, kunyari, gumaganong ka sa helmet mo.
Yeah.
Yung nagwa-wiper ka.
Ito na yung wiper.
And so part of my role is I do R&D for our brands. So ako yung test dummy.
Oh, coach, halimbawa, may helmet ka. Umuulan na,
Ito
may
ang
putik.
tanong. Bakit siya nasa kaliwa?
Yan, okay, good.
Oh,
Kasi,
sa kanan
kailangan
wala.
naka-maintain yung throttle mo while you're wiping.
Yun ang
Yeah.
free hand mo.
Ito yung free hand. Kaya pagka sa mga hand signal, hindi pwedeng kanan. Laging kaliwa.
Coach, gusto mo ba yan?
Maganda to, ha?
Sold.
Toby Wiper.
Sold na ba?
Hindi,
Magkano?
wala
May
pa.
discount
Hindi
pa
pa
to?
dumarating
Wala pa
eh.
dumating.
Naka-pre-order ako niyan eh.
Yep.
R&D pa
Saka
lang.
add to cart na ako eh.
Yeah. Coming soon. So,
Yung ilaw, coach, gusto mo ba?
Maganda yung ilaw, oh. Pasok na pasok sa Hilux ko yan.
Yeah.
Old school yung Hilux ko, eh. Kailangan ko yung malaki.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, kasi part of our core values as a team sa WWR and Ride Manila, we really test the products before you bring it in.
Na
So-
sobrang curated. Sobrang curated. Because
So-
JC will only bring stuff in that he likes.
Uy,
And if JC likes it, I'm pretty sure I'll like it.
JC, alam
But you
alam
know,
kong
that's fair. That's fair. Even for us, ganun din kami. If we
Tinetesting
won't
nyo
use
talaga.
it,
Yep.
if we won't use it personally, then it's not gonna fly.
Yeah. And we've
Testing,
rejected some
yeah, we
You
products
guys
already.
tested for like 6 months to a year
I-
before they pull the trigger.
I've done this for 2 loops and rode it in the rain just to confirm nga na. Kasi
The
I've had
waterproof
leather
talaga siya.
gloves. I can't wear them anymore because
Yep.
they've already
lulutong.
Tsaka mabaho.
Yes, so that's one.
Baho.
Then second is nagko-compress. Pero sprayan nyo
Yes.
lang tunay na rider na spray.
Oh.
Oh, no. I'll give you a tip with leather, ha. If you want it to get soft again, Nivea. So, balat yan eh.
Eh, paano yung Vaseline? Yung
Wait,
Pwede rin.
Nivea, the one that comes in a pot.
Yes.
Diba?
Pwede Nivea.
Nivea.
Affordable and lalambot ulit yan.
Yeah.
At saka,
If you don't have the held gloves. Kasi
If you
this
don't,
one, I
hindi mo
never
kailangan- hindi mo
treated
na
it
kailangan.
after.
JC, alam kong marami ka pa dyan sa goodie bag mo, pero magsingit lang ako ng ano.
Yes.
Isang crucial pag umulan.
Yes.
Communication.
Yes.
Ayan.
Rain or shine,
Definitely.
kailangan yun itong Cardo. No?
Yeah, and the good thing about Cardo, no, from the Spirit up to the top of the line Pro, they're all waterproof.
Ayan.
IP67 rated. So, you still stay connected even gaano kalakas yung rain.
Oo.
But
Kung
if you
group ride,
if you get the Pro like that, no, there's an added function.
Manipis siya, no?
Para siyang Apple Watch
Ah, so,
or the new iPhone.
Yeah.
okay. Medyo
If you,
Lock lang.
if you take a spill, you can pre-program an emergency contact.
SOS.
And it will
Yeah.
send the GPS location.
They'll actually call.
It will call.
Yeah.
Coach, i-sales stock lang kitang konti. No?
Oo,
Kasi
nakaganyan,
nakaganto ko eh.
nakaganyan din ako.
Kasya sa ano to? Kasya sa cradle nung Edge.
Dung edge.
Hindi mo na kailangan ng bago. Tapos, pag
Okay.
nilapag mo yung helmet mo, auto off.
Auto off, tama.
Palagi
may
yung
SOS.
nalolobat sa trip dati. Because hindi ko pinapatay. Pagkakain
Yes, oo.
tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Bakit mahalaga to pagka maulan? Kung halimbawang group ride, masyado mabilis yung nasa unahan nyo. Pwede nyo na
Pero
siyang
murahin.
Well, ako, the simple application for Cardo, especially in the rain when it's a group ride, you multiply yung visibility mo. You
Oo.
extend it to the rest of the group.
Uy, may
Warning.
luma. Uy,
Yes.
slow down, slow
Oy,
down.
may tanga!
Ito batawid
Ang
lang.
laking bagay doon.
Yep.
Everybody is now watching out for everybody else.
Yes.
Yes.
Alam mo, pababa pa lang ako ng Antipolo, no? Habang nagra-ride ako, may dalawang rider sa harapan ko. Eh, naka-enduro ako eh. So, pag may lubak, tinuturo nila kahit hindi ko sila kasama. Nakakatuwa lang na isipin
Old school
na
yun.
Yeah.
nasa likuran ka. Hindi mo naman kilala yung mga rider, pero tinuturo nila na may lubak dito. Yung,
O, konting ethics, no?
Yes,
Courtesy.
oo, ang galing.
So,
Ayun.
lalo na pag scooter. Kasi maliit yung gulong nun. Kung lubak,
Yep.
yun.
Yes, yun naman ang
Bengkong.
medyo
Yung mga,
problema sa
yung
scooter.
mga
maliliit.
naka-GS walang pake. Hindi na sila
Grabe.
natuturo.
Kaya parang inisip ko, ba't niya pa itinuturo? Hindi niya ba alam na ka-enduro ko? Dagdagan, sasagasaan ko lang yan.
Wait, hold on.
Pero
Alright,
very, ano lang sila.
marami pang dala si JC. For me, the worst thing about riding in the rain, and kung daily rider ka, is having wet feet and wet socks.
Yan.
Everything else, matitiis ko eh.
Yan iba ang dahilan kaya hindi ako nagmumotor sa ulan. Yung basang paa.
Hindi.
I could not
Maarte
take
ka lang,
it.
ayaw mo madumihan yung motor mo eh.
Tsaka yung jacket.
At saka yung jacket, di ba?
Ano naman to, JC? What
Yeah.
do you have for our feet?
Yeah, so basically, we work with Falco. It's an Italian boot company
Ito yan.
for motorcycle boots. And they have different models that are all-weather also. So, they treat it with breathable but waterproof material. So, one of our popular models, which is the Chaser, it has
Ang pogi niyan.
yeah, it has D3O. It has all of that protection, the added heel and toe reinforcement. And one thing that's really underappreciated when you buy motorcycle shoes, kaya yung recent post namin, di ba, leave those sneakers at home. Take your Falco boots with you. It's because all of their soles are water and oil resistant.
Ito ibig mo sabihin.
Yes.
Okay.
So I've been using some of my Falcos even for work, and sometimes I slip into my Nikes or my other rubber shoes. I noticed na those shoes are kind of slippery pa
My God.
compared to the
No, pero idagdag ko
riding shoes.
kasi I've got the Starboys.
Yeah, the Starboy.
The Starboys. Horrible name. Ako, I'm sold on Hokas, right? I love Hoka. Because I'm big eh.
Yan, suot mo.
It's comfortable.
Hoka bros.
Hoka is great. You can stand all day. You can walk a lot. And usually, I hate wearing motorcycle boots. Diba? I hate it.
Too stiff.
Too stiff. They're
Yeah.
not
Yep.
comfy. Sumasakit
Heavy.
yung likod ko. Nakakapagod. Pare, the Starboys, the Falcos, even the Marshalls.
The Marshall, yeah. Our
Sobrang comfortable.
mini adventure
Ang
shoes.
gaan ha.
Yep.
Sobra silang komportable.
Okay. JC, ano naman tong nakasulat na label na to? Nabanggit mo rin. D3O.
Yes, D3O.
Ano to?
D3O is it's a kind of armor that they develop that's number one, lightweight, and it's very easy to mold. So you can put it in shoes, you can put it in your jacket armor.
Yun pala yun, bro.
Yeah.
Yung nakalagay dito sa Segura
Sa
jacket
Fury Gun,
ko. Sa
yeah.
Fury Gun jacket ko na mga pads.
Yes.
Yung orange.
Reactive yan.
Yes.
Okay.
So it only triggers its stiffness during impact.
Sana all.
Yeah.
So ito yung malambot na pads na pagka nag-impact, tumitigas siya.
Oo.
It's a smart jacket.
Smart jacket.
Yep,
Okay.
yep.
And well, speaking of smart jacket, I'd love to talk about it, but unfortunately, we're sold out nationwide.
Nangalin.
One thing that I really appreciate, especially for rainy weather, is having an airbag vest.
Oh.
So the airbag vest, like our Fury Gun, I actually tested already for you guys. So you guys owe me for that.
Thank
But-
you for your
Yeah,
service.
but yeah, kasi again, you can be prepared, you can be skilled, but you can't avoid accidents.
Nakapila rin ako for the big size na
Yes.
na. Okay, alright.
Yeah,
So,
so
kung ilagan, hinataw nga namin ng baseball bat para matesting lang
Okay.
namin.
JC.
Okay, wait. 808 na.
808 na. Tunay na rider question.
Ha?
Magtutunay na rider question pa
Hindi
tayo.
na.
nasagot
Okay.
ka na yun.
Oo.
Alright. With that,
Wait, meron ba? Meron ba?
Later na. Sa, ano na.
Sa live stream na.
sa live stream na. Basta ito yung D3O ko. Hinuhugot ko na. Iba, why don't you take us out?
Okay. Wait. I got my spiel. All right. That wraps up this week's episode of Tunay na Rider. Tandaan, hindi lang sa bilis na susukat ang rider. It's how you ride, who you ride with, why you ride, and if you ride in the rain. Kita-kit sa kalsada, ride smart, ride safe, ride tunay.
Thank you guys. Tuesdays, Tunay na Rider.
Oo nga, Tuesdays na, hindi na Thursdays ha.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.